Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the world's best meta search engine. Watch whole the video till the end, that very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Entireweb? The Entireweb is generally a meta-web index that professes to give more than 150 million pursuits per month. You can pay $19 to have your website added to the Entireweb file, or hang tight for them to get it through other web indexes. The worldwide web crawler www.entireweb.com isn't just a profoundly famous, universally useful web index utilized by a large number of individuals around the globe. It is additionally an exhibit of our hunt innovation and our mastery in the field of superior data recovery from tremendous unstructured information sources. If you want to join, the link in the description box. How would I present my site to web crawlers for nothing? Most web crawlers have methods of presenting your site pages legitimately to their file when you check site proprietorship. Present your site yourself to the main web crawlers. Submit a website to Google Search Console. Submit site to Google My Business. Accomplishes Entireweb truly work? The Entireweb is a trick. In the event that you need a genuine survey of Entireweb and to really publicize and get genuine traffic, stay path from the Entireweb. They take individuals' cash and give them nothing. I've been defrauded by them. Entireweb services. 1. Entireweb widgets. Increment your conversion rate today. Get your clients to connect more with your site with this basic device. Simple arrangement and incorporation on any site. 2. Entireweb insights. Comprehend your clients' conduct 100% free. Heat maps, meetings replays, function following, objective following, real-time measurements, your information, in every case free. 3. Entireweb SEO Service. Let a web index advance your website. Professional SEO services conveyed by one of the most established web crawlers in the industry. Entireweb SEO is a finished arrangement of SEO tools for little and medium businesses. With this, you can mechanize SEO analysis and advertising. 4. Entireweb Directory. Run down your business with Entireweb Directory and improve your rankings. Get high-quality backlinks and improve your web crawler rankings by posting your locales in the Entireweb index. 5. Entireweb Ad Market. Arrive at top-notch guests by putting your advertisements in our organization of destinations and messages, all completely mechanized, self-serve interface. Adaptable price model and targeted advertising. 6. Entireweb free submission. Present your site to a tremendous organization of web crawlers. More than 5 million individuals worldwide have utilized the Entireweb free search engine submission administration to present their destinations to web crawlers, for example, Google, Yahoo, Bing, and the sky is the limit from there. 7. Entireweb affiliate. Get paid for each guest you allude to our free search engine submission service. Acquire up to 20 cents for each snap. 8. Entireweb search. We convey our list items through our own internet searcher with our own back-end innovation. Attempt our refreshed search engine today. 9. Entireweb solo mailing. Entireweb email marketing is an item for web-based promoting experts. With Entireweb email marketing, the substance you make is conveyed to the greater part 1 million letter drops, having a place with website admins, online entrepreneurs, and advertisers. 10. Entireweb instant indexing. Following you've pursued this administration, we'll convey our web crawler to your website. It will slither and record, add to the internet searcher, your entire website and add every one of your pages to the hunt organization of Entireweb. I hope you all are enjoying the video. If you want to get more video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Don't forget to share the video. Good luck.